Hi everyone, Chef Mark with Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, and today I want to talk about drop-in ranges. We have a couple different range styles. We have a freestanding, which is a range. It's got a back, it's got the knobs back there. That's what most people have in their home. You also have a slide-in range, and a slide-in range would be something similar to this where it doesn't have a back. But this is actually what's known as a drop-in range. And what makes it a drop-in range is that it actually has a little bit of a lip here that goes over the countertop. It's a slide-in range with a little bit extra coverage to help give it that integrated look of the glass or the metal of the top sliding over here, making sure that you have no gap between the countertop and the range itself. You would think that this would be extremely popular. However, in my experience, I only see two manufacturers produce this on a regular basis, and that's Samsung and Bosch. I'm not really sure why, because I think that's a great idea, kind of preventing debris from falling in between your range and your countertop. Most people put a slide-in range into an island so that you don't have the back in the way. But sometimes you see these against a wall, like in this application, if you have a really nice backsplash, or maybe you're lucky enough to have a pot fill for water behind your range, then you're definitely going to want a slide-in or drop-in. This is the glass version by Samsung. Let's just go take a quick look at the Bosch version that also is in gas. Here we are. This is our drop-in range by Bosch, and you can see we have it pulled out a little bit so you can see that the lip, it's pretty deep. It's, I don't know, ½ inch, really giving you that nice kind of clean look. I think in gas, this is really a great way to go. And of course, I love Bosch appliances. We all know how legendary their dishwashers are, but they also make great refrigeration, microwaves, a full suite of appliances. So if you want to learn more about the difference between slide-in range, drop-in range, go to ApplianceFactory.com, or better yet, swing by one of our locations, ask a salesperson to get some expert advice. This is Chef Mark with Appliance Factory. Thanks for tuning in.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.